Alright, this is it, kids. We got some slow-moving traffic. Oh my God. It's a blizzard out there. There's people are confused. I am not confused. I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay? However, these jackasses in front of me. Oh my God. Oh, look at this guy. Where you going? Huh, Billy? Where you going? Alright, let me in. Yeah, so this is the storm, everybody. Oh, he's tailing. He's fishtailing. Yep, we might have a situation. Okay. I think I'm gonna make it. Kim's home waiting for me. I'm just gonna cut around these assholes because, yeah, why not? Certain rules apply. Okay? However, tonight is a scary night. I'm gonna blow the red light. Yeah, I just blew the red light. Ha ha! Alright, we're almost home. Let's get the windshield wipers going. There you go. Alright, there's an emergency service vehicle. Okay. Alright, Big John making it home. Coming home from work, getting that money, making that Benjamin. That's what I do. It's okay, folks. I've got everything under control. Worry not. Worry not, my friends. We're good.